Hello, hello, hello. It's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrappin' on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself. Our Mini Kit Monday lady host is Kathy. She has selected this mood board as our inspiration piece in putting together our kit for the month of April. And she's given us the challenge to document each of us Mini Kit Monday ladies. But if we don't have time to do all 5, then we at least select 3. If you would like to play along, I will have the link listed below to our Facebook group site. How do you find us? Well, of course, or a layout to scrap lift, well, you'll need to go to our videos, or you can go to our Instagram. I'm just letting you know for myself, I haven't posted any new layouts over there on Instagram for about 1.5 years, but there are layouts there that you can select to scrap lift. I like to scrap lift old layouts as well. Sometimes they're 5 years old. Or, like I said, you can browse through our YouTube channel. It's your choice. All right, for this week, I am scrap lifting Shannon, and I selected this layout over on her channel, and I know that this layout is this layout a year old? I think it's a year old. The writing is off. So this is a layout that I am scrap lifting. And remember, it doesn't have to be exact, all right? You're drawing from maybe the design concept, the colors, or you're going to pick some of the elements, because you do want to try to pick some of the elements. Maybe you want to put a cluster here and a cluster here. You like this design, but you want to make it girly. Make it girly, okay? This is what I've decided. So I'm documenting an older photograph of my little guy, which was taken 3 years ago, a week before Easter. It was raining that day. We were just going grocery shopping, and behold, we walk in, and they're having a little Easter festival going on for children. They can go from one booth to another booth. He gets his face painted as a bunny rabbit. I've documented that photograph twice, one for his album, one for mine, and I think I have documented this funny face, which he looks like a bunny rabbit here, even though he did not know yet what was happening inside the store. So I am going to document this photograph for my album. And again, since I can vividly remember this memory, I want to document the story. And because I am using a dark background, I will have to do it on the back side, which is fine. I don't really care for my handwriting that well. Anyway, back to my stuff. So you can tell in Shannon, she has got this die cut that's one full piece with openings, in the middle. And I found this in my scrappy stash, so I'm going to use that. So again, it doesn't have to be exact. These are scraps from my stash that I want to use because I don't like them to pile up and then I have to pay it forward or trash them. I hate trashing them. So that's my scrappy stash, or scrappy paper that's going to be used for layering. And then my main base paper is this wood grain background from Ella and Viva, I think that's how, paper company. And this paper, I know, is a few years old, but there is no year on it, but that's okay. And it kind of has a shiny sheen to it. All right, you'll notice Shannon's background is like a gray color. I'm using a wood grain. It's A-okay. And then I have pre-selected some embellishments, and I'm definitely going to have to add more. But when I was putting this kit together, the only thing that was coming to me was a title and using some gears. So that's all trying to come out. I've got a few enamel dots, but I have my title planned. So that is my product to document this memory and scrap lift Shannon. So I'm going to pause you for a minute. Let's review my scrap lift of Shannon. So I'm doing a side-by-side comparison here. Now I'm going to point out some of the elements on my layout. So as you can tell, right down the center is my circular element. Then I did my enamel dots, my title, some more enamel dots. You come across my page, I have that card, I have a little bit of a cluster there with a frog and more enamel dots. You can see the placement of my gears to the left of the photograph. Then I'm pointing out that I used Heidi Swapp Color Shine in gold and did some splatters in 3 locations around where my enamel dots are, which is something that Shannon does all the time. All right, I'm bringing up my layout close so that you can see the elements that I've added to this layout a little bit better since it's done on a wood grain background. All right, before I forget it, make sure that you check out the other Mini Kit Monday ladies to see what they created today. I will have their links listed below. Be sure to get out your scrappy supplies, document those memories in a fun, creative way, and keep coming back. Give us a thumbs up. I appreciate you all and your support. All right, have a great day. Have a fabulous week. Bye.